How to install CapCut in iPhone in India. Go to App Store. Check for CapCut in the App Store. As you can see, there is no CapCut in India region. Click on your profile. Click on Country Region. Click on Change Country or I am choosing Argentina here for a reason. Disclaimer, all your current Apple subscriptions will be gone after Country Region change. The option None is very important for successfully setting up payment option. That is the reason I chose Country Region to be Argentina. Choose None. For billing address, I used Apple Store address in Buenos Aires. Street, type hello in both fields. Rest of the fields, give the Apple Store address details. Click Back button. Click Done. Now search for CapCut in App Store. There you have the CapCut app. Now try installing the app. CapCut is running on your iPhone now, and everything will work perfectly. After installation, we can go change the country region back to India and fill in your India address and details to set up payment. CapCut will still work after country changed back to India with limitations. To fully access the CapCut app, install any free VPN. Enjoy video editing with CapCut Video Editor.